Hello everyone and a warm welcome to another exciting edition of the Goan Appetit. Today we are in the house of Ujjwala and she's welcomed us into her kitchen. I would like to say Dev Bore Koru for having us over here, and today she's going to run us through a very special Goan delicacy, Mangane. So Ujjwala, can you tell us all what do we have here and how are we going to make this?
मणगणे खातीर न्हू चण्याची डाळ लागता, डाळ लागता, गोड लागता, साबुदाणे, नाल्ल, वेलची आणि काजू. आणि डाळ पयली न्हू उकडून घेवपाची असता. पयली मातशी फुगत घातली ती उकडपाची, एक 4 सिटी काडल्यार पुरो. आणि मागीर नाल्ल आसा न्हू तो किसून घेवपाचो. तितून ती इलायची सोललेली घालपाची,
इलायची
सोलून घालपाची आणि मिक्सर लावपाचो, मिक्सराक घालपाची. मागीर तो रोस काडपाक जाय तेजो नाल्लाचो. मिक्सराक लायिल्लेलो आसता न्हू तो रोस काडपाचो. आनी मागीर दाळ, गोड घालपाचे, साबुदाणे घालपाचे आनी उकडत दवरपाचे.
Honestly folks, ever since I was a kid and I would visit my friend's house for Ganesh Chaturthi, they would present to us a lot of food which is specific and unique to the festival of Chaturthi. Now, for desserts, you would have things like kheer, modak, but the king for me from all these dishes was Mangane. Why? Well, one of the reasons is because I can eat it easily. It's a sweet dish and it's one of my favorites. So, Ujjwala has been kind enough to prepare for us and show us how we prepare Mangane, which is, as I said, one of my favorite dishes to try. All that's left is to taste. Excellent. That's all that I can say. And if you haven't tried it out, well, all I can say is you've learned how to make this dish today. So why don't you go try it out and let us know if you like the very famous Mangane.